Good morning, everyone. My name is Kunika Rawal and I am in grade 10. I have been studying in MKJC Milestone campus for 2 years. Today I am going to share my experience that I had in grade 10. First of all, I would like to talk about faculty here. Faculty here is very friendly towards children. Each subject teacher pays nice attention towards every child. They also help us to solve our doubts and problems we have. Even after school time in evening, when we have any doubt, we could call our teacher and just ask our problem, which is very nice of them. Besides this, they have also taken many tests and revision on a nice scale. Beside this, we also had a spiritual speech and a motivational speech, which tends to develop confidence in us, and that also helped us to boost our confidence. And they had taken three pre-boards, which helped us to score good grades in our boards, which is very helpful also towards our boards examination. And last but not the least, I would say that I really had a good practice in MKJC Milestone campus. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Saksham Rawal and I'm student of class 10. Today I want to share my 1 year experience in MK.Jain classes that I noticed there from my previous school. In my previous school, the teachers were not giving attention to the students properly, but here in MK.Jain classes, every teacher is giving attention to every single student and are cooperating with them to help them increase their skills. Regular tests are being held for the development of the students. In maths, we are doing about 100 questions in every chapter, which I bet no one is doing in the school. In every school, the students had only one pre-board, but in MKJain classes we had three pre-boards, which helped the students in their practice and for scoring better grades. My experience in MKJain classes is very good, from which I am very satisfied. Thank you.
Things of the day. My name is Toshit Jain and I am very happy that MKJC has provided me this opportunity to share my experience of my 10th class. Firstly, I would like to tell about my director sir who motivates us for studying by their counsels and speech. Secondly, I would like to tell about my faculty which is very friendly and supporting. Every subject teachers is available anytime at the doubt counter for solving our doubts. Besides studies, they went us for educational trips and tours to reduce our stress of studies. Three pre-boards have been taken to overcome our fear of boards. Thank you, MKJC. Overall, I am very happy here. Thanks for watching.
Morning everyone, I am Sarah Joshi, a student in MKJC's milestone of class 10. I would like to tell my experience in this wonderful institute. I would like to say that this institute is a miracle. It is a miracle because the faculty in here is very good and skilled. They improve your negative points to turn them into positive points. They give you very good advice. They give you notes on each and every subject, such as how can you locate maps, how can you remember questions, how can you remember states name, every single thing, how can you remember formulas also. The priority is mainly given to maths and science since they are difficult and important subjects which can make your grades go up and down also. I mean, the percentage can go up and down also. And Director M.K.Jain sir always give us the right advice to improve our skills, such as there are also speech competitions, debate competitions that reduce the stage fear inside us, such as there is also prize distribution after. There are also many exams such as NTSE exams and STSE exams, which are quite good for your skills to be improved for national and state level. There are many kind of doubt you might have, but there are always one thing in this institute, and that is the doubt counter, which is always available for you, and the teachers are always there to solve your each and every single doubt. I would like to thank Director M.K.Jain sir and all the faculties in this institute who have given me the courage to even score and keep my goal with me for and make that dream come of mine true. I would also like to thank Director M.K.Jain sir's seminar which happens every single month, who give us the right advice to choose our career path. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Vasujan. I am from MKJC. I am proud to be an MKJCian. I am in 10th grade. I would like to share my experience about his MKJC and faculty. His faculty and teachers are of friendly nature so that students can share doubts without any fear. MKJC does not discriminate between students. MKJC also provide refreshment like picnics, educational tools, etc. Instead of study, there is a music period also for the refreshment. Regular tests also have been taken by the teachers as there are less students so that teachers can pay attention to every student. It also provide good environment of study. Thank you.